This 2016 Chevrolet Express 3500 with a 10-foot Supreme Plumber body is powered by a Vortec 4.8-liter V8 with 285 horsepower and 295 foot-pound of torque. It has been upgraded with a chrome appearance package, which includes a chrome front bumper and a chrome grille with dual composite halogen headlamps. Inside the vehicle, we have roll-up windows, radio with auxiliary input, power port 1, power port 2, and a third one for a 110 for like your laptop. You have a tow-all feature, a monitor for the backup camera. Both sides of the vehicle happen to have 3 compartments. 2 of them are vertical and 1 horizontal. Inside the compartments, the front one, you can see it has 2 shelves. And if you look, you can see that these are movable. They're about 14 inches in depth. Coming to the center compartment, which is got multiple bins in there for storage, and the door itself can be utilized as a workbench. Around to the back, you've got 2 doors for conduit. This vehicle has 2 safety handles, 1 on each side. That happen to be part of the master lock system. So if I was to push this in, you can lock all your outside door compartments. You have a pooch step, a Reese receiver, and a 7-pin prong here. Your backup camera is mounted right above the rear doors. Inside, you have a switch, turns on and off the dome light. The floors are 2x6 pine that have been treated on the underside to protect them from the elements. Inside the vehicle, you got plenty of shelving room and plenty of headroom, up to about 78 inches. Should you have any questions about this vehicle, contact Paradise Chevrolet Fleet Department. Thank you.